Ayantika Banerjee. I am from the Department of English and Literary Studies. Currently, I am pursuing my Masters in English Literature, and this is my final year. So, currently, I have been also placed in Alsol Technologies as a junior content writer. But in future, I would like to pursue higher studies through PhD and postdoctorate, because the kind of critical thinking that my department has instilled within me. Thank you, Brainware. Thank you, the Department of English and Literary Studies.